Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hene paisngi nyautre guluper Hajar Khatpra, Presiden bala kam jangkaseng HSPDP uba Ardent mila Basaïawmoit. Ulay kendo berkinong patai kubor ban Pynshai ba ya kajing ong jong Dr. Donkupar roy ba ha kajing kendo jong bat u Dr. Donkupar u klem ong Henry nakaliang jong uba Ardent ula penpau bahaswa bakin siem ya kenu garai kidi banya kran sngothu shwa kum kibalayete knang ba kajing te asos kular jong ki kanong kabaskam. Henry kumba kapau menta kampoi si namar nakaliang ke UDP kala syat kala klem kenjok ketien iki wei pat kiseng bay trailang.
I have a serious answer to ask Dr. Donkupar. And the question is that why did he oppose Mr. Preston Tinsong to become the Chief Minister? Because today it came out also in Nongsan Hima that it was the UDP which opposed Mr. Preston Tinsong from becoming the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. That is a very serious question that I would like to ask Dr. Don. And another question is that what was the proposal and the agreement between Dr. Don and Mr. Conrad Sangma when they met? Because it came out that NPP and for that matter Mr. Conrad Sangma had accepted the proposal made by the UDP. I would like to know, as a concerned citizen, and the people of the state also would like to know, why was UDP opposed Mr. Preston Tinsong as a Chief Minister of the state? And another thing that I would like to clarify is about a statement made by Dr. Donkupar, in which he said that Mr. Ardent didn't say anything, he just came and meet me in the morning and didn't say anything about his opposition for the BJP to be part in the government. I would like to remind Dr. Donkupar that since day one, when we discuss about forging an alliance, as a president of the party, I had made a stand very clear that this alliance is an alliance between the United Democratic Party and the HSPDP, which later on GNC also joined this alliance, and that is why it was named the Regional Democratic Alliance. So when I agreed that HSPDP will remain to be part of RDA, according to my understanding, RDA includes three parties: HSPDP, UDP and GNC, not UDP, HSPDP, GNC plus BJP. So they should have understood that right from day one, HSPDP as a party had made a stand very clear that they would love to have a non-Congress and a non-BJP government. So the question of not opposing or telling him anything about BJP does not arise at all. And coming to our MLAs, HSPDP MLAs, in which they said that our president had directed us to stick with the RDA. It was a fact. I asked them, we cannot break the alliance. But I didn't give them any green signal or any instruction that they should agree to work together with BJP. So, being an elected representative, they should remember, they should understand that the stand of the party right from day one is to have a government without BJP. And that is why to blame the president for not instructing them is not right. Because if I don't instruct them, they will, say that the president is not instructing us. But in the case where I've already instructed, they didn't listen. Like for instance, I'm hurt when they stake claim to form a government on Sunday. And particularly for this matter, I had instructed my MLAs to skip from this, going to the Raj Bhavan to stake claim, because we have to respect the sentiment of the majority, people living in our state. But he didn't listen, so how can they blame Mr. Ardent or the President that he didn't instruct them properly about the formation of this government? So therefore I would like to give this clarification to the people so that the people will come to know the facts. And I would also like to request the people to analyze my statement properly, because when it comes to social media, some people, they pass comments sometimes without understanding the truth, without knowing the truth. So they must analyze my statement properly so that they can come to the conclusion, so that the people will come to know about my stand as a leader, my stand, as a former president of the HSPDP, so that it will remove all the doubts from the mind of the people as far as my stand and principle is concerned.